Day number 2, installing baby turbo on the CH-650. Today we're working on the turbocharger housing itself, relocating the pad for the actuator, repositioning the exit part of the compressor, pulling some unnecessary fittings and plugging those, removing special automotive snap-on fittings and going with barbed. Here's the oil line for the turbocharger housing. Here's how it exits the engine block itself. And here's how it goes up to the turbocharger with the banjo bolt. Here's the cooling of the turbocharger. As you can see, the turbocharger sits right on the engine, which is already cooled. And then there's a coolant line with O-rings and a short piece of hose, all OEM, going to cool the turbo, and then a return line that we'll show later. Starting to work on the downpipe, which is the whole exhaust system. Cutting an elbow slightly more than 90 degrees, fitting it in there, adding a pin and a clamp for the tailpipe. Here you can see the assembly from above. Replacing some hardware and hardware where needed, and lock nuts. To the left is the turbocharger assembly and the downpipe, and the downpipe support at the bottom. Some detail shots of exhaust manifold gasket, frontal view of the engine showing the position of the turbo. And we're almost done for today. A few more things to be done to the turbocharger installation, but a lot in one day. All done.